Hi guys, today I'm here with my cousin is here with me and my brother. I have a normal channel which is Jodi XoXo and Drastic Jodi, but this is his first video, so subscribe to him and subscribe to me. We're gonna be doing the burping challenge, but we need to wait for my brother because he's doing a shit. Yeah. You can swear in any videos. I don't care. Yeah, so we're waiting for him, so let's wait for him.
Ding dong. 2 hours later. Right, that one did not count.
I can burp really fast. I could do that.
Zoe. And he's going to be sitting right here. You don't see him. And here we come.
Okay, Finlay, close the door. We're getting ready. Right, Finlay, you're in the middle. Okay. So here's my brother. Right, okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm not ready yet.
Just a burping challenge, Finlay.
Right. 1.
2.
No, you know.
3. 4.
5.
6.
1. 7.
Okay, I've got 14 so far.
I've got 14 now. 13.
21. 22.
4.
23.
25.
24.
24.
26.
26.
27. Not 26. You're at like 4.
6.
28.
7. 8.
29.
9. 29. 30.
34.
10. 11.
43.
40.
45.
14.
46.
15. 15. I got up to 15. So one of you will win.
66.
That's the drink more.
70.
That would be better if we got the juice. That would be awesome. I love it. Wait, what are you doing, Jay? Don't look in the background. I'll just cover them. No, cover food.
90.
I'm allowed. You just see me. Jodi won.
For using the last most of work. So, Mom, shush. Okay, that's our burping challenge. I hope you enjoyed.
I had 89. That's good.
I got
Bye.
97.
Bye guys.
Bye.
15. Bye.